सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Chapter 2 Section 1 Mantra number 11. मनसैवेदमाप्तव्यम् नेह नानास्ति किञ्चन मृत्योः स मृत्युं गच्छति यैह नानेव पश्यति Yamadharmaraja, revealing the nature of Atma and pointing out this Atma can be attained by using one's own mind. Manasa eva idam aptavyam. Manasa means through the mind alone. Manasa eva, that evakara is very important. Through the mind alone, not anything else. Only the mind is the place, available locus where you can attain that Atma Jnanam. Manasa eva idam. Idam means this Atma, this Brahma Swarupam Chaitanya Atma idam aptavyam, to be attained. Aptavyam, should be attained. Tavya pratyaya is that. Ap dhatu, verb is the ap. Tavya is should be attained. Aptavyam, one should attain, means it is like compulsorily, like an order. One should attain through the mind alone. What is that knowledge one should attain through the mind? Neha nanasti kinchana. Iha, in this world, nana, differences, varieties, na asti, they are not there. All the differences, varieties, plurality, in one word we can say duality or plurality, is not there. Na iha nana asti. There is no there is no plurality. Nana means plurality. Idanim api nasti. That is important. Asti means idanim, present tense. Asti staha santi is the present tense. Vartamana kale api. In this present time, when you are seeing the different forms, different names, this is called plurality. Different forms, there is no connection to one form to one form. You see, different faces, different names. This plurality, what you are seeing, is not real. The reality of this plurality is Atma. So there was no plurality, there will not be plurality illa. Ippum kuda plurality illa. In spite of experiencing the plurality, that time itself you can negate the plurality. That is called Dvaitam. Plurality in English we call, but in Sanskrit, Plurality means Dvaitam. Dvaitam anna rendu, duality. Rendu mele 3, 4, 5 appadi polam. More than one is called duality. More than one. Nana na asti kinchana. Even an iota. There is no plurality at all. Kinchana. Then second, suppose if I see plurality, what is the wrong? If I give reality to this plurality, she is there, he is there, that person, male, female, ants, insects, plants, so many are there, plurality is there. What is there? I am experiencing plurality. Therefore, I can say plurality. You can say, but mrutyosya mrutyum gacchati. What is the tragedy, disadvantage? He will travel from womb to tomb. Again and again, that mrityu he cannot escape. Mrutyosya mrutyum. Again birth he will take from birth to birth. Here mrityu to mrityu, death to death. Middle of birth irukane. Janma need not express here. Mrityu to mrityu means what? Mrityu, janma, mrityu, janma. Again, janana marana. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam. Chumma melinde you can come, it's okay. Punarapi janani jathare shayanam. You have to lie down in your mother's womb. Enna womb solla mudiyadu. Which womb you are going to stay in? You cannot move your legs, hands also. Body temperature is so much inside. With filthy matter you have to wallow inside. We are all like that only. In the pakkam urine and the pakkam amma vaithula. In the pakkam urine and the pakkam filthy matter. And that ulle nammu ulle. 10 months we have to suffer. That is called mrityu. Yaiha naneva pashyati. Whoever sees iha in this world, nana iva pashyati. Whoever sees this plurality. What to do without seeing plurality? How is it possible? Is it possible not seeing plurality? It is not possible to be without seeing sunrise. But seeing sunrise, it is not possible, it is rising. But you know there is no sunrise. That's what we want to understand. Clear? Sunrise, sun is rising, that experientially I am seeing that. But what is the reality there? There is no sunrise at all. This knowledge you have to keep in your mind. Similarly, in spite of seeing the plurality, as though sunrise, experiencing, every experience need not be true. Sunrise true or false? False. அது தெரியும் இல்லையோ? தெரியலன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க இப்போ. Sunrise is not there actually. Only earth is moving. Okay. Similarly, every experience of plurality need not be true. So, my experience of name and form, this plurality of this world, wrong. Who says? Kathopanishadlo, Yamadharmaraja says. Clear? So, plurality is wrong. Yaha iha nana iva pashyati, mrutyum sa mrutyum gacchati. Therefore, if you want to come out of death to death, see the reality, that Chaitanyam in everyone's body, and all these Nama Rupas are just as though. That is the meaning of this mantra. What are the corollaries we have to get here? Mind alone, through the mind alone, mind qualifications, sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, for the mind's sake only we say. So, a mind which is Having viveka, shama, dama, uparama, titiksha, qualified mind alone is fit enough to get this knowledge. Therefore, in Kathopanishad, the qualified mind, Shastra gives lot of qualifications, purify your mind. That mind, through that only you can receive. Even Mundakopanishad also says, Eshonuratma chetasa veditavyaha. Long before we saw in Mundakopanishad, Eshaha anuhu atma chetasa veditavyaha. Through the mind only you can know. But Kenopanishad lo, Yan manasa na manute enahur manomatam. Manasa na manute. Through the mind you cannot know. Kenopanishad. Contradiction, no? நம்ம படிக்கலன்னா பரவாயில்ல, படிச்சுட்டோமே. கேனோபனிஷத் ஆல்சோ. I hope you might have remembered that. Yan manasa na manute. You cannot know through the mind. But Kenopanishad says like this, Kathopanishad says like this, Mundakopanishad says like that. Even between Upanishads itself there is a contradiction. There we have to understand, Yan manasa na manute, this mind which is not qualified, which is not pure, which is not having any discipline, that mind cannot know. A pure mind, an innocent, humble mind, pure mind can know this. அழுக்கான மனசு தெரிஞ்சுக்க முடியாது. அதுதான் அர்த்தம் here. That's what we have to understand. Shastra Pramana Shabda. One important point we have to note is, why Upanishad, Yamadharmaraja says this now, any knowledge take place in the mind, any form of knowledge take place in the mind only. When eyes see outside the forms, this is black color, this is white color, this knowledge take place where? In the mind. This knowledge take place in the mind. Mind in the sense Andhakaranam, mind. When I listen the sound knowledge, this is a vocal music, this is an instrumental music. The sound knowledge take place where? In the mind. When I smell, this is jasmine, fragrance, chamanti, fragrance, different fragrance. This knowledge take place where? Mind. What is the instrument? What is the instrument? Nose. I am showing the tongue. Nose. You are all intelligent now. So nose, that means instrument is different. Knowledge has taken place in the mind only. When I use the ears instrument, pramanam, different. Knowledge it has taken place in mind. When I use the instrument's eyes, different they are. They are different from ears, different from nose. But knowledge has taken place in the mind. So knowledge can take place only in the mind. Instruments may be different. Therefore, here Yamadharmaraja tells, never try to stun the mind, never try to stop the mind, never try to destroy the mind by sitting in meditation. There are people, they want to destroy the mind. I want to stop my mind. Because once I stop all my thoughts, I can see Atma. There are books, they write like this, not studying Shastra properly, and stop your mind, you can know, because when you use the mind, you see the world. Stop the mind, you close the eyes. Then when you stop your mind, you can see Atma. This is very, very popular now present in the society. இப்பவே இல்லை, யமதர்மராஜ காலத்திலேயே இருக்கு, அப்பவும் இருக்க ப்ராப்ளம். Every time people think like this. This is the biggest problem in even highly educated people. That's why I am telling, emphasizing on this. Never try to stop the mind. Now we have to understand why. Why I should not stop? Now, aham brahma asmi, the knowledge, jnanam. The jnanam should take place where? In the mind only. Any knowledge for that matter. Any knowledge can take place where? In the mind only. There is no nasal knowledge, there is no ear knowledge, there is no tongue knowledge. Only intellectual knowledge. Pujya Swamiji, Dayananda Saraswati always point out this. People say, see, studying Shastra, everything is intellectual knowledge. So you have to experience the Atma, they say. People say, you have to experience the Atma. Why you are studying Shastra? This is really intellectual. You are using intellect here now, all of you. This is intellectual gymnastics. You people are wasting the time. All of you sit, close your eyes, stop your mind, I will show the Atma, they say. Because this is intellectual knowledge. Any knowledge is intellectual only, actually. Where it takes place, aham brahma asmi is a vritti. This is black color. It is a thought arise in the mind that gives a knowledge. This is white. It's a knowledge. It's a vritti. Any knowledge is in the form of what? Tell me. In the form of thought. In the form of thought. Jasmine is white. This is a thought. This is black color. It is a thought. This is orange. It's a thought. Similarly, consciousness, aham brahma asmi, is a thought. Thought is called vritti. Aham brahma asmi is a thought, should arise in the mind. It's a knowledge. Because it is a vritti, thought. Any knowledge is in the form of thought. So the thought, aham brahma asmi thought should take place where? It is also in the mind only. ஏன்னா இந்த நாலேஜ் எல்லாம் மைண்டில் இருக்கலாம் சுவாமி, அகம் பிரம்மாசி மட்டும் தனியா எப்படி தனியா இருக்க முடியும்? அந்த நாலேஜ் கூட எந்த நாலேஜ் ஆனாலும் மனசுக்குள்ள தானே வரணும். இப்போ புரியுறதோ? அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மிங்கிறது கூட மைண்ட்లో ద నార్మల్ థాట్ వృత్తి ఓన్లీ, అఖండాకార వృత్తి. అహం బ్రహ్మ అస్మి Akhandakara vritti I have to entertain. This is one idea we have to remember. Another important point is, where is mind? It's a big topic for people. Books and books they write. Manas enga irukka na asu irukka illaya na. Sila per all these scientists and all, they are doing research, dissect பண்ணி பாடி எல்லாம் பிரெயின் எல்லாம் வடிச்சு வடிச்சு பார்த்தா மனசு ஒன்றும் காணும். சாஸ்திரா analyzed this thousands and thousands years before. Shastra says, these scientists says, mind is in the brain. Mind is in the brain, they say. How can mind is in the brain? Shastra says, mind is not in the brain. Mind is in the heart. Very important point, note. This is the biggest issue in the world. People all are misunderstanding. What is it? Mind is not in the brain, mind is in the heart. Where is heart? Adi theriyada Swamini. Heart is in the heart place. The left side of our body. Here, a chest, there is a heart. That heart. Now you see, this is very interesting. There is a physical heart. Okay, physical heart, whatever is normal heart we have. In the Valentine's Day, kella bomma poduvaanle. Heart bomma. And the bomma, in the heart picture they put. I love you. I put middle heart, then you. And then another, I love your heart. Heartfelt feelings. Like that. Okay. That is the heart. Ordinary, normal heart. In that heart, that physical heart is the locus for the mind. And the mind kulla or thought varum. So thought locus is the mind locus is the heart locus is the body. Ingada irka mind actually Yamadharmaraja tells in Kathopanishad. All our Shastra says, mind is not in the brain, mind is in the heart. And the mind kulla in the thoughts go on coming in. Puriyardo ipo? That's why heart lada. Now we are going to see that Angushta Matra Purushaha next. Now this is clear up to here. So therefore, sense organs, mind and reasoning all cannot serve as, they can serve as instruments only to get the external knowledge. Now 3 points I have given. I am reminding it first. What is the first point? Manasa eva aptavyam. Okay, through the mind alone you can know. Never try to stop the mind. Never try to destroy the mind. Never try to stun the mind. Number 1. Point number 1. What is the point number 2? I said any knowledge will take place in the mind alone. Okay. Any knowledge, worldly knowledge also take place in the mind only. Even self-knowledge also take place in the mind alone. Very important point. Then the third point is, these sense organs, mind, intellect, all, they can serve as an instrument to get the external objects knowledge. Mind, sense organs, eyes, ears, nose, all these sense organs, and all these can know the external objects, they can serve as instruments. But whereas for self-knowledge, to get self-knowledge, what is the pramanam? What instrument should I use? Never use the eyes. Again, mind is not working as an instrument. I'll repeat again and again. This is the crux of Kathopanishad. Mind is the place where knowledge is take place. But mind is not the instrument to get knowledge. Manasa eva aptavyam means mind is the locus to get knowledge. Through the mind we get means not by using an instrument. Okay, mind we are not using as instrument to know. Just as I use my eyes to see this clip. I use my eyes to see these flowers. This is a pramana. Yes? Similarly, to know the Atma, I cannot use neither eyes, nor ears, nor nose, nor tongue, or skin, any sense organ, including mind as an instrument to know the Atma. But through what I can know, what is the instrument? Shastra, pramanam, Guru Vakya alone is the pramanam. Through Guru Vakyam only, Shastra Vakyam or Guru Shastra Mukhataha. Through the Guru, that Guru who teaches Shastra. That is Pramanam. Clear? So, you can gain knowledge. That's why Naisha Tarkena Matirapaneya. Not by just logic. You can get knowledge, but Shastra, Guru, the teacher should teach you systematically. Then alone you get the knowledge. Where this knowledge will take place again? Mind. Mind is the locus to get knowledge. Mind is the locus. Aham Brahmasmi Jnana Vritti take place in the mind alone. Mind is the locus. Where this Aham Brahmasmi Vritti take place? In the mind. What is the pramanam? Shastra pramanam. This knowledge vritti take place where? In the mind. So use the pure mind, qualified mind, which has got sadhana chatushtaya sampatti. In that mind, this knowledge will take place. What is the pramanam? Shastra pramanam. Clear? Very important mantra. Very, very important mantra. We have to understand. Next mantra we will read. Mantra number 12. Angushthamatrah purushah
Angushthamatrah purushah
Madhya atmani tishtati
Madhya atmani tishtati
Ishano bhuta bhavyasya
Ishano bhuta bhavyasya
Na tato vijugupsate
Nato vijugupsate
Etadvaitat
Etadvaitat.
See, in this mantra, it is a Mahavakya mantra. Vakya means sentence. Maha means big. Big sentence. It's not a big sentence. It is a sentence which communicates the Jivatma Paramatma Aikyam. It's called Mahavakya mantra. A sentence which communicates the identity of the individual soul and Supreme Paramatma. The Jiva and Paramatma. Jivatma Paramatma Aikya Jnanam. That sentence which communicates, that is called Mahavakya mantra. How? Look into the mantra. Angushthamatraha purushaha. Purushaha means the self, the Jivatma, the individual soul. Why individual soul is called Purushaha? Puri shete iti Purushaha. The Jivatma is that which resides in the body. Puri enna body. Puri illa. Okay, Puri. Puri enna shariram. Shete. The one who abides in this body, pervades in this body, is called Purushaha or Jivatma. So, having given this knowledge, what knowledge? Atmajnanam. For Atmajnanam, mind is the locus. Mind is the locus, but not instrument. Appa, we are getting. I am so happy. Mind is the locus, but not the instrument. Instrument is what? Shastram. Now, Nachiketa, this Atma is Angushthamatraha. This Purushaha, Jivatma is Angushta, means this thumb. This thumb is called Angushtam. Angushthamatraha means only. Matra means not tablet. Okay. Matra means of the size of. This thumb, எவ்வளவு size இருக்கு? அவ்வளவு sizeல Angushta you keep inside. All of you try. Okay, இந்த chance வர திருப்பி உள்ள வச்சிட்டு போடிங்கோ இப்படி. And every one of you, how much gap is there inside? இந்த thumb உள்ள போறதுக்கு எவ்வளவு இடம் இருக்கோ? இந்த heart இப்படி இருக்குமா? This is the heart. அந்த thumb உள்ள இருக்குலையோ அதுக்குள்ள இங்க ஜீவாத்மா இருக்க. நம்ம ஹார்ட்டுக்குள்ள எவ்வளவு பியூட்டிஃபுல் டீச்சிங் கொடுக்கிறார் பாருங்க யம தர்மராஜா. Inside the heart, Angushta Matraha, the size of the thumb, Angushta Matraha, Purushaha, Madhya Atmani, Madhyena. In this heart, Sariram Madhya Bhagam is the heart, Madhye Atmani. Atmani means in the individual soul. Madhya Atmani. Sharira Madhya heart. Hridaya Sthanam is the Madhya Pradesh here. So Madhye Sharire Angushta Matra Purushaha Tishtati. புரியுறதா? நமக்குள்ள பகவான் இருக்கான்னு சும்மா சொல்றோம். அது சொல்லணும்னா கட்டோபனிஷத்து படிக்கணும். கட்டோபனிஷத்து படிக்கணும்னா முண்டக்கா கேனா அதெல்லாம் முடிக்கணும். புரியுறதா? ஏன்னா அது படிச்சாதான் இது புரியும். சரி, மத்தியே ஷரீரே திஷ்டதி, டுவெல்ஸ். திஷ்டதி மீன்ஸ் டுவெல்ஸ். அங்குஷ்ட மாத்திர புருஷः மத்திய ஆத்மனி ஷரீர மத்தியே திஷ்டதி. கிளியர்? Who is this Angushta Matra Purusha? Na Ishanaha Bhuta Bhavyasya. Ishanaha means Paramatma, which is the Lord. Lord of whom? Na Bhuta Bhavyasya. Bhuta means past. Lord of the past. Bhavyam na Bhavishyat, future. Lord of the future also. Who? In this body, who is staying in my physical heart, in the mind, who is available? Sattha Spurti Pradata. I am. That Spurti, no? That Sakshi Rupena. Sarva Vritti Sakshi Rupena. That's why Ramana Maharshi writes a beautiful shloka. Hridaya kuhara madhye kevalam brahma matram. Adi hridaya kuhara madhye kevalam brahma matram. Aham iti. Aham, I am. Nan irken. I am the witnesser of every thought. Yes or no? I am the witnesser of every thought that which is arising in my mind. Bhuta Bhavyasya. Past thoughts, future also I am planning for tomorrow. Next after 12 o'clock, enna pannano Swamini? Ippu planning. Bhavyasya. Who? Madhya Atmani Tishthate. This Jiva Angushta Matraha Purushaha Ishanaha Paramatma. Aikyam. This Jivatma alone, that Paramatma. So, Ishanaha Paramatma Bhuta Bhavyasya Tataha. After knowing that, what? First line. Whoever knows this Atma self, which is in the middle of the heart, in the physical heart, which is of the size of Angushta, as though Angushta. Okay, don't take Atma வந்து Angushta மாத்திரம் இருக்கான்னா அப்படி கிடையாது. உபாசனார்த்தம். இதெல்லாம் மெடிடேஷன் பண்றதுக்காக தான். உபாசனார்த்தம் அங்குஷ்ட மாத்திரஹா இத்யர்த்தஹா. மஞ்சள்ல பிள்ளையார் இருக்கிற, when you make it மஞ்சள், that what is turmeric, அந்த டர்மரிக்ல பிள்ளையார் இல்ல. அந்த டர்மரிக் எதுக்காக? பிள்ளையார்னு அது மேல பார்த்து உபாசனை பண்றதுக்காக. அதே மாதிரி இந்த ஹிருதய குஹரம்ல தியானம் பண்ணணும். ஹியர் ஆத்மா இஸ் அவைலபிள். இந்த ஹிருதய ஸ்தானம் வந்து ஒரு ஆலம்பனம். அங்குஷ்டம் అనేది டோன்ட் திங்க் ஆத்மா இஸ் இன் அங்குஷ்ட சைஸ். டு மெடிடேட் ஃபார் த சேக் ஆஃப் மெடிடேஷன், அது ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். உபாசனார்த்தம் ஆர் ஃபார் த சேக் ஆஃப் மெடிடேஷன், திஸ் ஆத்மா இஸ் பிக்சரைஸ்டு இன் தி ஷேப் ஆஃப் அங்குஷ்டா. இது லிட்டரலா எடுத்துட்டான்னா மீனிங்லெஸ் ஆயிடும் இல்லையா? யூ ஷுட் நாட் டேக் லிட்டரலி. Many people take it literally and think ஆத்மாக்கு ஷேப், ஒரு ஷேப் எவ்வளவு இருக்குன்னு. உங்க எலிஃபென்ட்டுக்கு பிக் ஹார்ட் இருக்கும், அப்படி பிக் ஆத்மா இப்படி எல்லாம் நினைப்பான். இந்த பாட்ல இருக்கிற ஸ்பேஸ் ஸ்மால் ஸ்பேஸ் சுவாமினி, இந்த ஹாலுக்குள்ள ஸ்பேஸ் பிக் ஸ்பேஸ். The bigness and smallness is because not because of space, because of what? Walls, the conditioned upadhi. Similarly, Atma is neither big nor small. Clear? அதனால அங்குஷ்டம், என்னோட அங்குஷ்டம் எவ்வளவு இருக்கு அவ்வளவு. சில பேருக்கு கொஞ்சம் சின்னதா இருக்கும், அப்போ என்னோட ஆத்மா சின்னது. சில பேருக்கு 2 ஃபிங்கர்ஸ் இருக்கும், அப்படி ஆத்மா 2 இருக்குமா? என்ன இதெல்லாம் தகராறு, வேண்டாப்பா அப்படி நினைக்காது. இதெல்லாம் சும்மா பிக்சரைஸ், நமக்கு அர்த்தம் புரிய வைக்கிறதுக்காக தான். Abstract knowledge, we have to concretize in that form. Clear? Ishanaha. Now last line is very important. Saha yaha Ishanaha. 1 minute. tataha na vijugupsate. Because of this knowledge, this person na vijugupsate. He never tried to protect himself. He never tried to protect himself. Vijugupsate means, gup means to protect, to secure. I want to be secure. He never tried to be secure. Why? I have no comparison. I need not compare with anyone because I am all-pervading Atma Swarupam. That is the meaning. Na vijugupsate. He never tried to protect himself. If you say, there is another important logical, technical, and after next mantra I will enter into that part. Okay. Etat. Etat means what? This angushta matra purushaha. Anga kamika kudadu. Etat anna idu. This angushta matra purushaha who is available in the middle of the heart. Tat, that Paramatma. Etat. Why? Tat. Indeed, definitely, certainly, there is no doubt in that. And that why you need to emphasize. This Atma alone is that Paramatma. Jivatma eva Paramatma. O Nachiketa, you have asked me. Anyatra dharmat, anyatra adharmat, that day you asked me. That who is, what is that which sustains after the fall of the body? And there are two things sustained. What is the Sukshma Sriram also is sustained for some time until Pralaya. Again this Jiva comes again. That is Sukshma Sriram. That which travels. Whereas this Atma also sustain, never travel. இது புரியுறதோ? இன்னொரு வாட்டி சொல்லணுமா? இன்னொரு வாட்டி சொல்றேன். Jivatma is that Sukshma Sriram travels after the fall of the body. Travels again, takes another body. That also will travel. That also will travel. Which will another will travel? No, nothing will travel. Only Sukshma Shriram will travel. Again takes another body. And until this Jiva Sukshma Shriram gets Jnanam, it travels. Mrityu to Mrityu. Ena plurality pathinde irukka, ignorance irukku. As long as ignorance there, he has to take another body. Womb to tomb he has to travel. Enna womb banna mother womb ne solla mudiyadu. Cockroach womb, donkey womb, elumbu womb, ade that ant womb. We do not know. But whereas if I recognize etat is that tat na vijugupsate. He will not have any birth and death. He recognizes I am birthless, deathless. That never travel. Now tell me, this space travel, in this pot travels, the pot is going, space also going? Who is going? Pot is going. நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? Space is also going, Swami, as though going. Really speaking, space is in the pot or pot is in the space? அப்பா, pot is in the space. அப்படி சொல்லலன்னா இந்த கிளே நமக்குள்ள இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். சும்மா சொன்னேன், நீங்க எல்லாம் இன்டெலிஜென்ட், எனக்கு தெரியும். Pot is in the space. First lesson என்ன சொன்னோம்? Space is in the pot, space is in the hall சொன்னோம். அது கரெக்ட் இல்லப்பா. இந்த பாட் தான் நிஜமா ஸ்பேஸ்ல இருக்கு. இது சரி, நல்லா இருக்கு. இந்த உடம்பு என்னன்னா ஆத்மா உள்ள இருக்குன்னு சொன்னோம். ரியலி ஸ்பீக்கிங் ஆத்மாலோதான் நம்ம எல்லாமே இருக்கோம் அப்படி சொல்லணும். ஏதத் தத், திஸ் ஆத்மா which is available in this body is available everywhere அப்படி சொல்லணும். Next mantra. Angushtamatra purushah.
Angushtamatra purushah.
Jyotiriva dhumakah.
Jyotiriva dhumakah.
Ishano bhuta bhavyasya.
Ishano bhuta bhavyasya.
Saevadhyasau Shvah Saevadhyasau Shvah Etadvaitat. Here Shankaracharya brings a beautiful analysis actually. Some people say there are three types of differences. Plurality paakanamanna, there is a duality. Chollanamanna, you have to fulfill three things. A duality is possible by seeing differences in three ways. Suppose there is a tree. In that tree, it has got leaves, branches. Tree is there, leaf is different from the branch. Flower is different from the leaf. Fruit is different from the branch, leaf, different. Internal differences are called Swagata Vedam. Internal differences. They are called Swagata Vedam. Vrikshasya Swagata Vedaha. Pushpam, Phalam, Vrikshasya Swagata Vedaha is called Swagata Veda. So that you can say there are two things. But Atma ஒன்னு சொல்லணும். அது சொல்றதுக்காக இதெல்லாம் அனலைஸ் பண்ணணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்துட்டு அப்புறம் தாஷ்டாந்தம் we can go. So in tree there are differences. In the form of fruit, in the form of flower, there are differences. This is called Swagata Vedam. There is, now you can say plurality. In the tree itself, there are fruits, there are flowers, there are branches, there are leaves, there is a trunk, there are roots. These are all internal differences of same one tree. Clear? This is Swagata Vedam. Now second Veda, plurality we have established in the tree. Another way of establishing the plurality is, there is one tree, mango tree, there is neem tree. Both trees are different. Plurality. Sajatiyam. Jatiyam anna same jati, same species, Vriksha jati. Both are belong to the plant kingdom. But Vriksha is different from the, this neem tree is different from the mango tree. This is called Sajatiya Bhedam. One Vriksha is different from the another Vriksha. Because it gives only mangoes, this gives only neem fruits. It's different. Sajatiya Bhedam. But belong to one plant kingdom. Sajatiya, jati is one, Vriksha jati, but there are differences between the jati. Jati in the sense, it gives different fruits, it gives different fruits. Now plurality is there. Neem tree is different, mango tree is different. Therefore, Sajatiya Bhedam. Then there is a possibility to establish the plurality, another difference. Vijatiya Bhedam. Vijatiya Bhedam. Vijatiya means a different species. Plant is different from the stone. Plant is different from the animal. Plant is different from the insects. Different jati, different species. So plurality is there. Plurality is there. So now how many differences to establish the plurality? These three differences. One is Swagata Bhedam irundalum, differences plurality establish pannalam. Sajatiya Bhedam irundalum, plurality establish pannalam. Vijatiya Bhedam irundalum, plurality establish pannalam. இப்ப பிரம்மன்ல இது மூடுமே கிடையாது. பிரம்மன் ஒன்னுதான் சொல்லணும்னா ஜோதிஹி, the one who illumines, just as the smokeless fire, how it illumines the objects, the Atma, the consciousness, illumines the whole world. Mantra tells, Jyotihi iva adhumakaha. Adhumakaha means smokeless. Angushta matra purushaha, same meaning. Ishana bhuta bhavyasya is the same meaning of previous mantra. I need not explain. And the first line, second half, Jyotihi iva. It is like a flame. This is another problem. Anga angushtam madre, adi upasanartham. Here Jyoti is also a symbolic. Atma is not Jyoti. Why your Jyoti word used? A light, Jyoti means light. A light is that in whose presence things are known. A light is that in whose presence things are known. You know your pen, book, everything because of light. The light is that in whose presence things are known. It's called light. Similarly, Atma is called Jyoti, consciousness is called Jyoti, because of whose presence I know the whole world. Why consciousness Atma is called Jyoti? Because I know. You see, I know this flower, I know this is desk, I know this is mic, I know this is clock. Because of whose presence I know the things. That's why any person is giving no speech. I am going to show the light upon this subject. Light poduvana in the subject mele. That means what? I unfold the subject. Please show the light upon this subject, upon the topic they ask. It is not showing the light, torch light போட்டுட்டு பாருங்க. இல்ல அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுனா அந்த சப்ஜெக்டுக்குள்ள இருக்கிற நாலேஜ் நமக்கு வந்துடும். Through which I get the knowledge. That is called throwing light upon the subject. Similarly, Atma is light. Jyotihi iti yukte, not a flame, because people are closing the eyes and thinking about the Jyoti. நிஜமா, ஏன்னா லிட்டரல்ல they take. சுவாமினி இங்க ஜோதி இருக்கிற அது இங்க இல்ல, இங்க கூட தெரியுமா சில பேருக்கு, இங்க எல்லாம் ஜோதி, அந்த ஜோதி உள்ள பரவிண்டே இருக்குமா ஹோல் பாடி. இது வேற ஜோதி தியானம் சொல்லி ஆத்மா ஜோதியா சுத்திண்டே இருக்குமா உடம்பு. பைத்தியம் என்ன, ஃபுல்லா பைத்தியம். ஏன்னா அதுக்கப்புறம் மென்டல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்துடும் இதெல்லாம் பண்ணினா. One girl came to me to my class once. She started doing this Jyoti meditation and the whole body that rotating. என்ன பண்றதா தெரியல அந்த அம்மாக்கு. Somewhere some people taught this meditation the wrong concepts. ஏன்னா they look this word Jyotihi, light na. Atma is light. என்ன பண்றது? They have never studied properly from a teacher. Here Jyoti iva, as though Jyoti. Because Jyoti is that through which we know the things. Atma is that through which I know the things. I know, I cognize. Cognitive knowledge. It's a cognitive knowledge. That's why knowledge, Aham Brahmasmi, is a cognitive change. Atma is there already. I am Atma, that's all. I am not going to get Atma. I am not going to see any Jyoti. Please understand. Jyoti adhumakahanana, smokeless. That smokeless fire only illumines the object. Similarly, the ignorance-free mind can reveal, unfold that Atma Swarupa. Ignorance-free mind, that ignorance is like a dhumam, smoke. It covers my real nature. Clear? Adhumakahana, ignorance-free mind, intellect, that buddhi which is free. That he says, second line, Saeva Adya. Saha, that Ishanaha, that Paramatma who is available in this Jivatma. So Jivatma eva Paramatma. Either in the part space and chonna, in the space ke hall space. Similarly, in the body la irunda and the Atma ke Jivatma ne peru. Whole pervading Atma, Vyashti Drushtya Jivatma, Samashti Drushtya Paramatma. So the Vyashti, Samashti, micro and macro is because of this medium. If you take out the medium intellectually, what is that? Atma. So Saha eva, that Paramatma alone, Adya, Saha eva, Shvaha, he alone is available now. Adya, Ippo, here. That's why knowledge can take place here, now itself. Swami, na veetukku poi thirupi practice pandren. No, my students should get knowledge in the class itself. Aham Brahmasmi inge ippave varanum. அதுதான் நாலேஜ். அத நான் சொல்லல பாருங்க. அத்யா, now here itself. Adya, Saha, that alone, that consciousness alone, that which is brightens, that is which is bright knowledge, indicates the brightness of light, that's consciousness. Adya exists today, now. Saha eva, that alone will exist tomorrow also, future also. This is indeed, this is indeed, again, that alone, this is alone, that, adi purinjukkanum, that Atma. Now, another this vijatiya sajatiya swagata bhedam, how to negate another important point. Consciousness, people why they differentiate, these are all doubts why they come. It's koncham technical, please try to bear with me. Enna in the opportunity pona I cannot explain later, so that's why I would. Number 1, consciousness and matter, here vijatiya bheda, people take no, the consciousness is there, matter is there, therefore there are two things. Dvaitam vandache, sentient consciousness, insentient matter, two are there. Vijatiyam, இப்ப நான் கீழே இருந்து வரேன், ஸ்வகத்த சஜாத்திய விஜாத்திய சொன்னேன். இப்படி கொடுக்கலாமா எக்ஸாம்பிள், இல்லை ஸ்வகத்துல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா? சார் ஸ்வகத்துல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றேன். சப்போஸ் இஃப் ஐ சே ஸ்வகத பேதம், ஓகே, தேர் ஐ given the ஸ்வகத பேதம் for விருக்ஷா. ஸ்வகத பேதம், ஜீவ சைத்தன்யம் பிரம்ம சைத்தன்யம். ஜீவா இஸ் த பார்ட் ஆஃப் த பிரம்மன். அது எப்படி ஃப்ரூட் இஸ் த பார்ட் ஆஃப் த ட்ரீ, அப்படி ஜீவ இஸ் த பார்ட் ஆஃப் த பிரம்மன். ஸ்வகத பேதம் வந்தாச்சு, விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்தம். வெளியில போய் சொல்லாதுங்க, அவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் கோபம் வந்துடும். இதெல்லாம் புரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டிய விஷயம், நாட் டு ஃபைட். ஓகே, அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், லாஜிக்கலி யூ ஹவ் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். ஸ்வகத பேதம்னா ஜீவாத்மா இஸ் த பார்ட் ஆஃப் பரமாத்மா, therefore since I am a part, டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கா இல்லையா, இதுதான் ஸ்வகத பேதம். சில பேர் சொல்லுவான், நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம், பார்ட்டே கிடையாது, ஜீவையேவ ஏதத் வைத்தத்னு சொல்லிட்டோம், நெகேட்டட் த ஸ்வகத பேதம். நம்பர் 1. நம்பர் 2, சஜாத்திய பேதா. சஜாத்திய பேதம்னா பிரம்ம சைத்தன்யம் ஜீவ சைத்தன்யம் ரெண்டுமே சைத்தன்யம் தான். இவர் ஜீவ சைத்தன்யம், அவர் பிரம்ம சைத்தன்யம். இந்த ரெண்டு ஒரே ஜாதி ஆனாலும் கூட, சைத்தன்யம் ஆனாலும் கூட, இவர் ஜீவ சைத்தன்யம், அவர் பிரம்ம சைத்தன்யம். ஆனால் அதனால சஜாத்திய பேதம் இருக்கு. ஸ்பீஷீஸ் வைஸ் டிஃபரெண்ட், there is a bhedam. Even though 2 trees, mango tree is different, neem tree is different. அது மாதிரி இவர் இண்டிவிஜுவல் சோல், அவர் டோட்டல் சோல். சோல் தான், பட் இண்டிவிஜுவல் சோல் டோட்டல் என்னது டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கோ இல்லையோ. சுப்ரீம் சோல், இண்டிவிஜுவல் சோல். Shastra says individual soul is total, supreme soul, supreme is individual. இந்த individual supreme temporary, நாம ரூபா வீடு விட்டியாச்சு. விசிஷ்டாத்வைதம் கான், துவைத்தம் ஆல்சோ கான். இப்ப விஜாத்திய பேதம் என்ன, பிரம்மன் இஸ் கான்சியஸ்னஸ், சைத்தன்யம் சென்ஷியன்ட், மேட்டர் இஸ் இன்சென்ஷியன்ட். அதனால இந்த ரெண்டுமே விஜாத்தியம். இவர் சைத்தன்யம் சென்ஷியன்ட் பிரம்மன், matter is jadam. How can you say this and I am everything everywhere anna? Swamini, how can I become desk myself one anna? Adinal vijatiya bhedama. I am chaitanyam, these are all jadam. So jadam is there, I am here. Dvaitam vandachi, vijatiya bhedam. Shankaracharya says no, there is no matter separate from the consciousness. Matter is a word. Matter can never exist without the consciousness. Matter has no independent existence of its own. Matter is another name for the consciousness. That's why energy, matter also, matter can never be created according to science also. Energy only manifests as matter, matter goes into energy form. When it is so, why not with Atma? Without substratum, consciousness, matter cannot exist. Matter is not there at all other than consciousness. So vijatiya bhedam also negated. Finally what? There is no plurality. There is no duality. There is no difference at all. Sahayev adya shvaha. Tomorrow who will be? Tomorrow what Atma da. Anal body irkalam, irundhavan irkalam. After 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. But Atma will remain all the time. This is the meaning. So with this we have concluded that comparison. Jivatma eva Paramatma Mahavakya is established. There is no bheda at all. Swagata bheda is not there. Vijatiya bheda is not there. Sajatiya bheda is not there. The 14th mantra also we'll read. యథోదకం దుర్గే వృష్టం
యథోదకం దుర్గే వృష్టం
పర్వతేషు విధావతి
పర్వతేషు విధావతి
ఏవం ధర్మాన్ పృథక్ పశ్యన్
ఏవం ధర్మాన్ పృథక్ పశ్యన్
తానేవానువిధావతి.
తానేవానువిధావతి.
Now Yamadharmaraja says, Dvaita darshanam phalam is mortality. When I see the plurality difference, phalam is, and the phalam is mortality. Mortality means limitation again. Insecurity, limitation, all problems, they will come. Whoever sees, Pashyan, Dharman Pashyan, one who sees jivas, Dharman means jivas, Jivatmas, Pashyan Prithak, Bahutvam. Whoever sees the Jivatmas differently, just as this water, Yatha Udakam Dhavati, Anudhavati, Udakam Vrishte Durge. Durge Vrishta means the rain which falls upon the mountain flows slowly, 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 different it flows, and while reaching by the ocean, it will dry up. Therefore dissipates, totally disappear. Similarly, whoever sees the Atmas differently, he will also become, dissipates means as though he will become Nama Rupam Illamale Poiduva. Nama Rupam Illamale Poiduva and Ardha. Some, edo porandita, avada died. There is no meaning for that life, purpose for that life. This is a negative sense lo kudukurar. Next one, he gives in a positive way. Another, whoever sees the unity, the water, shuddham, pure water mix in the pure water, it becomes one. Adi madre examples he is giving, beautiful examples. Here in this mantra, Dvaita Darshana Phalam is immortality. Mortality. Mritam manna. Udakam, the water, rained water on the mountains, just runs down to the slopes and dissipates. Therefore, whoever sees the Advaitam, the pure water, just mix in the pure water, you cannot decipher. It is one. Adhe madri, pure I recognize Atma is one. They are free from mortality, they attain immortality. So very technical slokas. Again you have to dwell upon. We'll see more in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.